Hello, I am Nahida and welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today I will show you how to make a soft fluffy vanilla cake right in a teacup. No oven needed, just a pan. Let's get started. In a bowl, take 2 eggs and half cup of sugar. Mix well until the sugar dissolves completely. Now add 1/4 cup of oil, a teaspoon of vanilla essence and 3 tablespoons of curd. Mix everything well until combined. Now sift 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda into the mixture. Now add 1/4 cup of milk and mix gently until the batter is smooth and lump free. To prevent raisin from sinking, coat 2 tablespoons of raisin with 1 teaspoon of flour. Now fold the raisin into the batter for a delicious surprise in every bite. Now take some oven-proof teacups. Grease your teacups with a little oil to prevent sticking. Pour the batter into the cups, filling only halfway to allow space for rising. Now place a non-stick curry pan on medium-low heat and add a wire stand inside. Preheat for 5 to 7 minutes in medium-low heat. Now place the cups inside the pan, cover with a lid and cook for 20 to 25 minutes on medium-low heat. Our soft and fluffy vanilla tea cupcakes are ready. Just look at the perfect texture. Serve warm and enjoy with a cup of tea. I hope you love this easy cake recipe. If you try it, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, follow and subscribe to Enoven Cake and Cookies for more quick and tasty recipes. See you in the next video.